नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं श्री नारद मीडिया। JR कन्वेंट दोन को टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ग्रुप ने बनाया आइकन ऑफ मुंबई वेस्टर्न सब अर्बन का दिया सम्मान। बिहार के सीवान जिला मुख्यालय से 35 किलोमीटर दक्षिण पश्चिम दरौली प्रखंड के दोन गांव में स्थित JR कन्वेंट की शिक्षा रूपी सुगंध सुदूर ग्रामीण क्षेत्र से निकलकर अब देश की आर्थिक राजधानी मुंबई में पहुंच गई है और अपना दबदबा कायम कर दिया है। आज से हजारों वर्ष पूर्व द्वापर युग में महाभारत में गुरु द्रोणाचार्य द्वारा स्थापित दोन स्थित गुरुकुल में पांडवों और कौरवों ने शिक्षा लिया था, जिसको लेकर दोन की चर्चा ऐतिहासिक स्थल के रूप में होती आ रही है। वर्तमान में मुंबई के उद्योगपति कुमार बिहारी पांडे ने अपने गांव दोन में आकर सुनीता ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज एंड सुनीता एजुकेशनल ट्रस्ट के द्वारा JR कन्वेंट की स्थापना सन 2011 में किया था। एक दशक में इस संस्थान द्वारा स्थापित JR कन्वेंट व जॉन इलियट ITI प्राइवेट कॉलेज ने अपने शिक्षा, अनुशासन, शैक्षणिक वातावरण, अत्याधुनिक संसाधन, अनुभवी शिक्षकों, सुमनोरम स्थल, शांत वातावरण, सुसज्जित भवन को लेकर जिले ही नहीं बल्कि प्रदेश में अपना स्थान सबसे ऊपर दर्ज करा लिया है। यह हम नहीं कह रहे हैं बल्कि बिहार सरकार के तत्कालीन श्रम संसाधन विभाग के सचिव दीपक सिंह ने जॉन इलियट ITI प्राइवेट कॉलेज के निरीक्षण के बाद विद्यालय में आयोजित कार्यक्रम में इस संस्थान को सरकारी कॉलेजों से कई गुना बेहतर बताते हुए प्रदेश में 1 नंबर पर स्थान दिया था। टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ग्रुप समूह के द इकोनॉमिक्स टाइम्स ने गत दिनों मुंबई में आयोजित एक कार्यक्रम में सुनीता ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज एंड सुनीता एजुकेशनल ट्रस्ट द्वारा संचालित JR कन्वेंट व जॉन इलियट ITI प्राइवेट कॉलेज के कार्यों को लेकर आइकन ऑफ मुंबई वेस्टर्न सब अर्बन सम्मान प्रदान किया है। यह सम्मान द इकोनॉमिक्स टाइम्स के अधिकारियों ने सुनीता ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज एंड सुनीता एजुकेशनल ट्रस्ट JR कन्वेंट व जॉन इलियट ITI प्राइवेट कॉलेज के अध्यक्ष कुमार बिहारी पांडे को प्रदान किया। इस मौके पर उपस्थित लोगों को संबोधित करते हुए उद्योगपति कुमार बिहारी पांडे ने कहा कि कोई भी कार्य जब हम निस्वार्थ होकर करेंगे तो निश्चय ही आपका और आपके कार्यों की चर्चा समाज से लेकर देश और विदेश तक होगी। आइए देखते हैं क्या है JR कन्वेंट दोन में।
Welcome to JR Convent, which is affiliated to CBSE New Delhi, and the chairman of this school is Kumar Bihari Pandey. We have nursery to standard 12th curriculum along with overall development activities for students. So let's introduce you to our school. This is the main gate, and this is the way which took us to the statue of Swamiji, and here these green plants make this environment more beautiful, and the way in which they are organized is really attractive. As soon as we enter in school campus, we find the statue of Swamiji, and here we can see a quote, Vidya Dadati Vinyam, which means education gives us politeness, and that is compulsory for a successful life.
This is administrative block where we can see fees counter, and parents used to visit here for the admission of their child.
फूल से तुम मुस्कुराना सीख लो, राह काटो पर बनाना सीख लो, जिंदगी का क्या भरोसा दोस्तों, मौत से आंखें लड़ाना सीख लो, मौत से आंखें लड़ाना सीख लो।
This is Sunita Little Angels Academy, where the students from class play to UKG used to study, and the painting on the walls used to teach the students as well as to attract them. The toys here made the students to study with enjoyment, and their classes are also organized with proper paintings.
This is the compartment of our chairman sir where he used to live. This is very attractive and luxurious one. Considering the pandemic of COVID-19, here the temperature and the sanitization of the students have been taken care of, and all the students are sanitized regularly with the sanitizers, and the temperature has been remarked regularly.
This is the main block, and this is the primary block.
This is our principal sir office. Here he used to give us valuable suggestions and teach us.
This is the main block where the idols of Ma Saraswati and Lord Ganesha sits. Now let's move to the morning assembly.
This is the chemistry lab. After performing the experiments, teacher used to explain the theory again in the class. This is our biology lab, and here the teacher is explaining the model of human skeletal system that really helps us to understand the human anatomy and the skeletal system.
In our biology lab, it's curious to get the animal specimen, which gives us a lot of knowledge to understand the biological classifications.
Here, the teachers teach the concepts through microscope, which help the students to learn the concepts easily. And these are the model of human body parts, which help us to understand the human anatomy as well.
The class are organized in a good way, and here teacher used to explain everything clearly on the board, and a student must use to listen it carefully by maintaining a proper discipline. This is the physics lab where a student used to do practicals related to their topics.
There are advanced computer labs where students get to increase their technical knowledge. There are lot of computer systems present here. Each student get opportunity to experience computer practicals on their own. There is adequate supply of electricity, which is another beneficial factor which contribute to its advantage.
To maintain the physical fitness with the study, there are playgrounds in which a student used to play various games like cricket, volleyball, badminton and etc. And there is swing also where a student used to enjoy. Apart from this, annual sport competition used to organize where many students used to participate and they were encouraged by trophy, medals with certificate. Apart from this, the science exhibition used to organized here every year in which the student used to make different models by expanding their thinking, and they are awarded by our respected chairman sir with many chief guests.
Every year, cultural programs are organized in our school. This includes singing, dancing, drama, etc. These cultural programs creates awareness among the people about a particular topic. Cultural programs play a very important role in enhancing the physical and mental fitness of a child.
भारत के इस एक तारे पे गूंज है जो जो रागिनी।
क्या है बेटा?
This is John Elliott Institute of ITI, handled by our respected chairman sir. Here the students of JRC from class 6 to 12th get opportunity to make visit once in a week. This develop their skill. Here it had different compartments like electrical compartment, digital compartment and mechanical compartment.
This is the short journey of JR Convent. Hope you will be inspired by it, and if you want to make your future bright, then come and join with us. Thanks a lot.